Hey teachers, do you want to learn how to use your new C925 webcam? Stay tuned. Alright, so once you get everything situated in here, this is going to be your tripod, right? It's really nice. So you can bend these arms. So that means you can like mount it if you need to mount it in some weird spot or over some weird arm that you might have in your junk drawer or something. But in order to connect this tripod head to the webcam, you're just gonna hit these two buttons over here on the sides. There you go. At the bottom, you can take this and you just screw it on. So once it's on there, you just do the same thing. You hit the two buttons on the side, and you just clip it right back in, and you let it go. Now it's pretty secure. The other option is you can flip this out and possibly mount this onto a laptop or something like that. Don't forget, in order to actually get an image out of here, you're gonna wanna take the slider on the camera to the side. For a better angle with your students, you might want to use some dictionaries. This actually might be the best use of dictionaries I've ever seen. So the next thing to do is to actually take your new webcam and plug it into your computer. Now it's time to actually change the settings in Zoom. So when you're actually ready to change the camera in Zoom, click this little button next to the video and switch it over to your Logitech webcam. Now you're able to talk to the rest of the class at a better viewing angle. So share your screen in Zoom and continue teaching those students online, but get in front of your board and let your students in your classroom know that you're talking directly to them while still educating all your class together. If you need any help, I'm Mr. Hernandez, and this is Mr. Hernandez Teaches.